Yes, my dear students, now we are going to discuss the types of crystalline solid. There are four types of crystalline solids. One is ionic solid, two is covalent solids, metallic solids, and molecular solids. Ionic solid, you hear in plus two syllabus, you come to know that the example, NaCl, rest all the things you know very well, and force of attraction, that is electrostatic force of attraction. Electrostatic force of attraction, you know very well. These two things has been asked in the exams and will be asked. Rest all the things you have done in the 11th standard. In ionic solid, electrovalency, electrovalent, they have sharp high melting and boiling point. These all things you know very well and go through the books also. Then covalent solids. Covalent solids are also known as network solid. Network solid and covalent bond force of attraction, covalent bond force of attraction, and diamond is example, silicon carbide also, graphite is exception. Exception is graphite. Then come metallic solid, metallic bond force of attraction, and here you also know the word kernels. When metal is flowing in the sea of electrons, in the sea of electrons has been asked, but it is important from competitive point of view also. What is the kernel? Suppose that Fe plus 2, so many atoms they are flowing in the electrons. Generally, it has been asked the force of attraction. There are examples. You can take metallic solid, iron, gold, copper, so many. Molecular solid are of again three type. One is polar, and another is the non-polar, and third one is that hydrogen bonded. In polar solvent, you know that example is the HCl. Here dipole dipole force of attraction is there. Dipole force of attraction is there. Strongest van der Waals force of attraction. HCl is a polar covalent compound, you know very well. And in non-polar, you know that example is Cl2, H2, noble gases, neon, helium, etc. And force of attraction is dispersion force. You know very well that is the dispersion force, and also known as weakest van der Waals force, dispersion force. It is also known as weakest van der Waals force, weakest van der Waals force of attraction, and this is also known as London force. So you must revise the example and force of attraction. And the third one is that hydrogen bonded. Hydrogen bonded are also molecular solid. Hydrogen bonded. Hydrogen bonded, I told you, whenever hydrogen makes the bond highly electronegative atom. And generally I say that when you are going with the phone, my phone is that what? FON, that is fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. They are highly electronegative element. Whenever hydrogen make the bond with this one, that is called intermolecular hydrogen bond, and it's in crystalline solids. And you have done this in the states of matter also. Thank you very much for being with me in the types of crystalline solids. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.